In this video, I want to show how you can fix the dynamic calibration errors which came out when you install the advanced blind spot axis calibration, blind spot axis control units 2Q0907686685. If you install these control units on the standard brackets, which came with Golf MK7 Facelift and also Golf MK7, you will receive after around 40 kilometers dynamic calibration errors because the dynamic calibration angle offset is way too much. It is around 7 degrees. You can fix that by applying this wedge. This is a PVC wedge which I bought to a do-it-yourself store. It's called the Leroy Merlin. It's very famous in Italy and also in Europe. It is French. And it works, but it's a little bit elastic, you can see here. Even though it's PVC, it's a little bit elastic. So according to how much you tighten the screws to fix it to this wedge, you can have the calibration angles to be floating between 0 and 2 degrees, which is fine because I've driven for almost more than 1,000 kilometers without receiving any errors, any calibration errors. But I want to stabilize them, and I want to do that by using other two wedges which are 3D printed. This one, they are 3D printed in NASA, which is a powered ABS material, so an ABS which has increased the protection from UV lights and rain and snow and things like that. And it's very rigid. You can see I cannot bend it anyway. This is a new gadget from Temu. It's a digital goniometer. It starts in absolute mode, so it posts 0.61, which is the angle of this surface, which is not perfectly flat. I want to put it in the relative mode by pressing one button. Okay, now I basically set the 0 to this slope, and now I measure the slope of these wedges. The one bought at the Leroy Merlin is around 7.16-18 degrees. The one which I have 3D printed are instead a little more, 7.28. And the last one, which is not be the same because, wait, depends sometimes where we are talking about hundreds of degrees, so it's easy to change value. But anyway, it's around 7.26, 28 also this one. And I think with this I will stabilize all the angles because it usually flows between 0 and 2 degrees, which is not the best option. I will make another test and will let you know if everything was fine as I think. Thank you for your time.